In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for project management. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and open the workspace that contains your project boards. Once you're inside the correct workspace, go to the left sidebar and click Client Projects. This is where you'll manage and track your work in one central place. When the board opens, take a moment to review the current layout. You'll usually see existing project groups, such as new projects and completed. These groups help separate active work from finished work, making the board much easier to navigate as your list of projects grows. To create a new project, click New Project. In the Project column, enter the name of the project clearly so it's easy to identify later. Then assign a project owner using the Owner column. This makes responsibility visible right away and helps everyone know who is leading that project. Next, set the priority in the Priority column, so your team can quickly understand which projects need the most attention. After that, define the schedule using the Timeline column. This is especially helpful for setting expectations and seeing how long a project is expected to run. Now update the Status column to reflect progress. You can use labels like Not Started, Working on it, or Completed to keep the board current. If needed, link related opportunities in the Deals column. Then associate the project with the right contact using the Contact column and connect it to the relevant company in the Accounts column. These connections give useful context and make the project easier to track across your workflow. If you need to add more projects, click plus, Add Project, and repeat the same process. To keep things organized, you can also create new project groups by clicking Add New Group. Once those groups are in place, move projects into the appropriate sections so your board reflects your real workflow. As your board grows, use Search to quickly find specific projects. You can also use Filter to show only the projects that match certain criteria. If you want a different perspective, use Group By to organize projects by status, owner, priority, or other fields. For a timeline-based view, click the Gantt view at the top of the board. This gives you a visual overview of project schedules and helps you spot overlaps or delays more easily. As work progresses, keep updating project information so the board stays accurate. When a project is finished, move it to the Completed group. Finally, review progress regularly from the Client Projects board to stay on top of deadlines, ownership, and overall project health. Thanks for watching.